Hello viewers, so today in this tutorial we are going to see how to 3D print your logo from image. So let's see how we will do it. We will use some tools to perform these activities. First tool is our SolidWorks and I'm using here SolidWorks 19, and second tool we will use a 3D printer which is based on fused filament fabrication technology. So let's see, let's open SolidWorks 19. Okay, here we will import the image of our logo. So let's see how we will do it. I am going to in tools tab, and here I am choosing sketch tools, and sketch tools, sorry, I forget to choose the plane. So first we will choose the plane on which we want to draw the sketch. Okay, so I choose front plane. Now we will go to sketch and sketch on this plane. Now we will import the image on this plane. So again we will go to tools and sketch tools, and in sketch tools we will choose sketch picture. I am choosing here my logo. So I chose my logo here. Now we will scale the logo according to our need. I am scaling it, this image, to total 50 mm. So I'm sorry, I made it 50 mm. Okay, so we will see it here. Okay, now we will auto trace the following. Again we will choose, first we will choose the add-in, and add-in we will choose auto trace add-in. Okay, next we will click on this image and go to trace, begin tracing. But what happened to this image? Auto tracing is not working. What we will try to adjust these from these things, but I think it's not working. So we will do it manually. How we will do it manually? Let's see it. Let's perform this manually. So what we will do? We will use sketching on this according to our need. This is a laborious work, but if auto tracing is not working, then we will have to do this work. Again, we will use here splines for matching with the curve, and here how I am using splines, please see it carefully. Here these are the curves which can't be, we do not have any curve to match this profile, so we are using here splines. Okay, splines are the curve which match to a profile approximately to our, according to our need. Okay, so I am using this spline. Okay, now again at the place of straight lines we will use straight lines, and at the place of curves we will use spline. So I am doing it in that way. Let's it's not working. Let's put it use the splines very carefully. Okay, so we have made the E, and similarly we will make C, H, and all the letters we will make, and then we will extrude it. Let's make again C. So here in this case I am making the C by using splines. What makes sure that your image is every profile of image has been covered properly. So it will provide the refinement to your logo. So like that we will make whole the logo prepared with the sketch, and I will show you how to let's see how it will work. Oh, I'm sorry. Again, I will join these points very carefully, that as much near the spline points, control points are, it will directly lead to the quality of our image. Let's see how it will look after extrude. So we have, oh my god, I forget to uh, make it a closed curve. Now let's choose to extrude the image. It is 10 centimeter, but we will make it up to 5 centimeter or less, 3 mm, not centimeter. So this will be your logo after extrusion, like this. Okay, if we had made it, uh, if we had made the whole logo by drawing the sketch, then it will it have uh, would have looked better, but it is not complete. What I just want to convey that how we will make logo from our image. We will complete it and then import it into STL file, and this STL file will be uh, processed in a slicing software, and that file, after a slicing process, we will import it to the 3D printer and we will print it to get a physical to get our logo in physical form. So let's do the next activity.